we're about to leave Ubud. We're gonna get the shuttle bus to Padang Bai, and then what are we gonna do?
We're going to Nusa Penida.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Made it to the port, Padang Bai. Now we're gonna try and buy tickets to go today.
If not, tomorrow.
Yeah, if not, we'll find a place here. But we think there's one at 1 o'clock. It's now 12:40. Yeah, so maybe
Just in time.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Lombok?
No.
No.
Where? Nusa Penida?
Nusa.
Ah, close.
No.
Broken. Yeah, you can notice that. Sir. Oh, no.
Tickets for Nusa.
Very broken. It's very broken.
Oh.
Oh no, the ferry's broken.
Yeah.
So now what?
You're going to Nusa Penida. You can buy motorbike.
We give you motorbike to Kusama Harbor about 20 minutes, and then from there we give you fast boat like 20 more minutes continue to Penida Island. So.
Okay, so we've just been told that the slow boat ferry is broken and we need to go to another part of the island, about 10 kilometers.
20 minutes
Yeah, 20 minutes.
away from
Padang Bai.
And then take a fast boat.
To Nusa, but we're gonna try and look somewhere else because it looks a bit fishy. I don't know, just didn't believe it. Hello. Sorry, is there a boat to Nusa Penida? Over there, okay, suksama. Nusa Penida?
Sir, you can talk here.
Ticket ya?
Huh?
You have ticket already?
No, no, I want to buy.
Akan motor? Best motor bike?
Huh?
Motor bike?
No, it's just us.
Beringin. Ada di pintu dia Pak, ada di dermaga ini dia. Tiketnya lu tanya mana Pak? Beringin.
Oh, bayar 100 berdua. 100 habis sih orangnya.
No. 101 people.
No, it's not the price, my friend. This is a slow boat.
100, okay.
Okay, I give 100 for two.
No, one.
Okay, so we just stopped for lunch. I'm having some fish curry. Christian is having...
Typical nasi goreng.
Yeah. Long story short, we were trying to buy a ticket over there. They said that the boat was broken. We went to another side where they load vehicles and trucks and stuff like that. And they said, yeah, you can go, but you need to pay 100,000, which the normal price is around 16 to 31. And they would not lower the price now, and they didn't want to sell. So we're having lunch now, relaxing, and we're going to try to go to Kusamba, that's the name, because there's another port. It's around 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. We're going to book a grab and try our luck over there. If not, we will stay strangled in this part of the island. Crazy busy.
One boat, one boat.
Wow. Tickets, please. Tickets.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Nusa Penida? Okay. Finally.
Woohoo! Nusa Penida!
Finally, Nusa.
Nusa
Yeah.
Penida.
How you doing?
Where are you from?
Portugal!
Oh, Cristiano.
Cristiano Ronaldo. So we're taking a taxi, a motorbike taxi to our hotel. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. Portugal. Portugal. So we're taking a motorbike taxi. Today has been a very tiring and stressful day, but we'll explain everything when we got to our hotel. It's about 5 kilometers from the port that we arrived here at Nusa. Crazy day, hectic, but sometimes traveling doesn't go to plan, and it's okay. Just need to make the best out of it. We finally checked in.
Yeah!
Cristiano is going to explain what happened.
So today's been very stressful. First, we were told that there was no slow boat to Nusa Penida, and then we were told there was only speedboats going from a different port. It was about 20 minutes from where we were at that time.
And they wanted to take us over there, charge us
200,000
yeah.
each.
Basically, they were just trying to scam us any possible way.
Yes, so we decided to take a break, go for lunch, and then think what we were supposed to do. While we were having lunch, one of the guys approached us and told us, well, in the end there is ferries going to Nusa Penida from this port, but don't tell the others, how they're gonna be mad at me. And yeah, he sold us the tickets to go to Nusa Penida. It was not on the slow boat like we wanted, it was on a fast boat.
Yeah.
And it cost us 150,000 each.
Yeah, but it
was not cheap.
But it's the price. They didn't overcharge us. It's 150 speedboats and that's it.
Doesn't matter, it's done now, but we are here. We had dinner, we are relaxed now, and tomorrow is a different day, another day, and it's all part of the journey.
Yeah, you can't win always, so.
Yeah. And what are we doing tomorrow?
Visiting Nusa Penida.
Renting a motorbike and just going crazy in Nusa Penida. So see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.